Hi fam, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing? Good, because we're back with another video, you guys. So this was a highly requested video, you guys. It was posted on my community post. I had made it after seeing a TikTok video of the person that actually made it. And yeah, so I'm gonna hashtag that person, so you should be able to see it right in the description, you guys. But anywho, I saw this TikTok video and I had to make these Chipotle lemon lime honey wings. You guys, when I tell you they were terrific, they were terrific. So your girl had to go and get her some wings, right? And this video is a collaboration with Sister Kites, okay? Sister Kites, she will also be linked in the description as well. So when you finish with this video, go over there and check her video out, and let's see if we can get this on out of here. Because if you never heard of this, you could create these wings at home yourself. But let's go ahead and get ready to get into this video. So guys, what you need for this recipe is the honey. Now this is your main ingredients for your sauce. And you have to have some Chipotle sauce, well, peppers. I threw away the container, but you can find it at Family Dollar, maybe Dollar General. I believe that's where I found mine. And you have to just puree it. That's all. Put it in your blender, puree it. And you got you some good sauce going on, okay? Now, I'm going to start off by preheating my, what is this? You guys, you know what I mean. What is this called? My mind is not here, but we're going to preheat it so I can go ahead and get this did. I got some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning that I'm putting on here as a seasoning, you guys. Air fryer, that's it. Bear with me, my mind has not been with me, and some of you guys truly understand situation that, you know, my family has been put in, and I'm here but I'm not here, okay? So I'm going to also add me some dash, extra spicy, because these are Chipotle wings, right? So we're going to start off by air frying. And we're going to get this lime, because this and this is going to go with this. And it's going to make our sauce, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and move those on out the way. Now, what I do believe he did not do was he did not add extra olive oil. But I'm going to add it because I like that crispiness on my wings. Now, I thought the wings will get crispy. You guys, I throw the wings. And please don't come for me, because my family is not eating these. These are mine, okay? These are mine. But I'm also going to create another one. And that's the lemon honey wings. Lemon pepper honey wings I am going to create. So yeah, I just want to wash my hands off and dry them up, because I want to put these in the air fryer. As you see, they are seasoned well. Okay guys, so we are ready to put these on into the air fryer. Get out in here and get this. We're going to go ahead and line these up in the air fryer. Just like so. I'm just going to make sure that they are all around. Now, I had caught these wings on sale, you guys, and I had got maybe over, I don't know, maybe 30 for $10. And, you know, it came right in time for these because wings are my favorite. And so I just wanted to show you guys this recipe. So you're going to make sure that your wings have room up in there to move around and flip them. Now, let me put that over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my air fryer on wings, 25 minutes. And we're going to let that go ahead and cook, you guys. Going to let that go ahead and cook. And we'll be back with the next step. So guys, the next step to this Chipotle lemon, lime, honey, chicken sauce is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add us some Chipotle. Okay, just add you some Chipotle on in there. No measurements at all. But if you want them a little saucy, there you have it, right? So we're going to put that in there. And we're going to take the juice of a half a lime. I don't want to be in your way, you guys. Let's just do it like this. We're going to get all that juice. We're going to go ahead and we're going to... Then keep in mind, I'm going to get me some of this flesh out of here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got all of that out as much as possible. We're going to set that aside. Now, there's no measurement on your honey. But we want it to taste sweet. Right? Okay, I think that's enough. And I'm just going to go ahead and give this a slight stir. Oh. Yes, you see it? Now, you could do this recipe with lemon as well, because I almost started to just do it with the lemon, but then I decided I'm going to do a lemon sauce. I'm just going to do a lemon sauce on it. And I'm just going to go on and let this do its thing for a minute, you guys. So we'll be back to bring it together. Okay, guys, so yeah. We got it all thick and ready. Thick and ready. It doesn't take no time. So what I'm going to do is cut this off, and I'm going to put the sauce right on in here in the bowl. And I'm going to wait for my wings to come to its point. Okay, guys, so our wings are ready. We got them crispy. And we're just going to go on and put it over in here. Just like so. Now, like I say, you guys, shout out to the fella that I saw this on Instagram. I definitely will leave his description. And I mean, you know, leave his link to his Instagram. Okay. So I approximately let these wings cook for 20 minutes in the air fryer. And we're just gonna go ahead and you gotta shake it up, okay? We're gonna shake it up. So once we shake it up, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you how saucy these wings look, you guys. Check that out. Now, I'm gonna plate them for you guys, because I know some of you guys want to see me plate them. Oh, they look so saucy. Oh my goodness. They definitely look saucy. Now, I'm just going to spoon me some more sauce over this, because I don't want to waste the sauce. And we're just going to spoon it right on over it. Who likes saucy wings? I think that's enough. And we're just gonna, now I like to use parsley. Now I know some of you like, what is it, cilantro, but I like to use a little parsley. But there you go, there you have it. The best darn chicken. Yes. Be creative with your chicken. You guys, check out that closeness. Guys, this was so easy and quick to make. I can see it at the next brunch or even just a dinner, but most of all, parties and everything. Yes, this is just a terrific all-the-way go appetizer, whatever you want to call it, okay? But anyway, your girl gonna go in there and get you guys the first bite. You guys, you can have the first bite. So your girl gonna taste it. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Don't forget, go check out Sister Deekites. Her link is in the description. You guys, if you like that hot and that spicy, that sweet, savory taste. This is the wing for you. But anywho, thank you all for giving me a view. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, what are you waiting on? I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. And most of all, share this video with any and everyone. And I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys, the next video. Because we're going to make up some lemon pepper wings. Home style. Okay? We're going to make us some lemon pepper wings. Just tell me if you want to see the video. Okay? Until then, happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to tell someone that you love them and you're thinking of them. It means a lot. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.